Most severe impact due to the inclement weather was reported from the districts of Gampaha, Colombo, Kalutara and Galle. Operations to rescue people who are stranded in unsafe locations were spearheaded by Sri Lanka Army, Sri Lanka Navy and Sri Lanka Police today as well. 290 houses in the Dompe Divisional Secretariat have been inundated and 1,158 people living in the area have been affected as a result. People who have been battered by inclement weather are currently sheltered at the Malvana Central College. The main reason for this is not cleaning the canals. It was only the Grama Seva Niladhari who came and looked into our matters. If something like this happens to us, we have nowhere to go. We are completely cornered here. We got a few things done after talking to some of the residents. Still no one has offered to help us. Flood water in the low-lying areas of Hangwella has not yet receded. "286 houses in the Sitavaka Divisional Secretariat have been inundated. Flood water in the areas spanning from Kalaniya to Mudungoda have not yet receded as well. The area spanning from Ambatale to Valivita was flooded after the Kalani River overflowed.
We are boarded. Our houses are submerged in water completely. We do not have anything to eat or drink. I asked one of my friends to bring me food. I am going to collect my food."
How many people must be starving in this country at the moment? That is the reality. Daily wage earners are left helpless. Everyone is helpless at the moment. This is the manner in which many low-lying areas in Kalanimulla, Angoda and Kotuvila have been inundated due to incessant rains. Flood water in Velevatta in Vellampitiya is not receded as of yet. Many houses in several areas including Vidiyavatta and Moranna in Gampaha were inundated. Residents allege the reason for this is the bridge near the Vikramarachi Ayurvedic Hospital on the Colombo Kandy main road not being renovated properly. The bund has been constructed crossing the canal to build the bridge. Because the water is blocked there, the flood water is flowing here. Many low-lying areas in Pollattegoda and Dodangoda have been flooded due to heavy showers reported in the last few days. 7th mile post in Anguruwatota on the Horana Matugama main road have been completely submerged in flood water and the transport in the area was hampered as a result. What you are doing is wrong. Please do not hinder what we are trying to do. Do not violate the quarantine regulations. If you do so, I will have to take action. The Baddegama water gauge saw a high value today as well. Due to this, many low-lying areas beside the Ging River were inundated. Trees and garbage that flowed from the upper portion of the Ging River have now stuck at the Wakwella Bridge in Galle. Officials of Sri Lanka Navy and Department of Irrigation participated in the cleaning process of the bridge. Due to the flooding of many roads including the Baddegama Dodangoda and Baddegama Agaliya road, vehicle movement was completely hampered.